welcome back to a series of videos, and today I'm going to be showing you a series of fidget spinners. It's really cool, and I'll be putting it on the description below for the people who can watch it. And if you want to watch more, just click on the top bar of the YouTube. So first I'll show you the pink one. And it's really cool because fidget spinners, you spin them around, you can even do these, and they're lots of much more fun. You can even balance them on your finger. It's so cool. This one's cooler because it can light up with the light bulbs. So let's try it out. It's really cool because fidget spinners, you can spin them around wherever you like. You can even play with them any day you want. So that's why fidget spinners are so useful. Like sometimes when you spin them, they actually sometimes come out with the light bulbs out. Because I don't really know why. But the light bulbs are supposed to come so it can look cooler. It's still fun. Because fidget spinners, you can do lots of stuff with them. Let's try another go with this one. This one doesn't light up anymore. And yeah, the fidget spinners like this one. Spin, hold, and lift off. So they're really cool, and you should buy them on .co.uk, on trustpacks.co.uk.